Mga preng, let me tell you something most rider don't want to admit. Mga preng, most motorcycle builds you see online, they are not expensive. They're just planned better. And if you think you need 50,000, 100,000 just to customize your bike, stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'll break that belief completely. Mga preng, motorcycle customization is not about money. It's about priority, sequence, and purpose. Most riders fail because they buy parts emotionally, not logically. Mga preng, today I'll show you how smart riders build bikes that look expensive even when the budget is not. Why customization is booming right now? Customization, mga preng, is exploding online right now, and here's why. Social media changed motorcycles forever. Before, you customize your bike for the road. Now, you customize it for the camera. Angles, sound, details. One clean mood can turn a normal bike into a scroll-stopping machine. Now, preng, real talk lang tayo. Let's talk about the budget build. Yung totoo talaga, yung real one. Here's the mistake, mga preng. People upgrade engine first. Mali yan, preng. The smartest upgrade order is this. Number 1, contact points, grips, levers, foot pegs. These are the parts that you touch every ride. Cheap upgrades but instant premium feels. Number 2 is the lighting. Good headlights and signal lights don't just look good. They change how people see your bike. The number 3 is the sound. You don't need a full exhaust system, mga preng. Even a slip-on can completely change the personality of your ride. Now let's talk about the aftermarket parts worth buying, mga preng. If you only have a budget for a few parts, these are worth every peso, mga preng. First is the adjustable levers. They look small, mga preng, but visually, they scream custom build. Second is the handlebar upgrade. This change posture, comfort, and riding confidence. Third is the rear shock, or at least a better suspension setup. Most stock suspensions are made for average rider, but there's no such things as an average rider. Mga preng, let me save you money right now. Aftermarket parts you should avoid. Mga preng, avoid parts that look good online but do nothing in real life. Fake carbon fiber, over-designed decals, excessive bolt-ons. Mga preng, if it doesn't improve ride, safety, or function, it's just visual noise. Now let's talk about something futuristic, mga preng. 3D printed motorcycle parts. These are exploding online because they are cheap, customizable, and fast to make. Ano-ano mga to, mga preng, is phone holder, cable guide, dash mount, camera bracket. Are they strong? Yes, if done right. But here's the rule, mga preng. Never use 3D printed parts for structural or safety critical areas. Use them for convenience and personalization, not survival. Mga preng, you know what people love most online? Yung transformation. Hindi speed, hindi specs, kundi transformation. A stock bike tells the story talaga, mga preng, but a modified bike tells a journey. Before, plain, generic. After, international, personal. Your bike becomes an extension of who you are, mga preng. Kaya bakit yung mga content na mga mod ay sobrang dami ng views? Mga preng, customization video go viral because people imagine themselves in your bike. They don't watch for you, mga preng. They watch for their future version. Kasi, mga preng, every mod you show answer a silent question. What if this was my bike? Diba? That's why POV riding plus voice over work so well. Your bike doesn't need to be the fastest, mga preng. It need to be international. Clean mode beat expensive mode. Purpose beat hype. Build slowly, upgrade smart, and enjoy the process. So, mga preng, if you're riding right now, look at your bike. It's not unfinished. It's just waiting for the next chapter. And preng, remember this. The best builds are not both. They are built with patience. So ride safe, ride smart,